Alright, so I'm gonna make a video of these forks I bought for the backhoe. Because my son-in-law has been bringing home the pavers for the house. He takes the trailer, but unloading them by hand was too much, so we bought the forks for bully budanzo. So let me show you them. So right off the back in the picture, this is very tricky. Look at this, it doesn't even spin. It's tough to spin and tighten. eBay.
This thing is all scratched.
eBay. This one spins easy. Very light. Oh, junk. I don't know if this is gonna pick up a pallet. Pallet weighs 2,300 pounds. Let me get this all cut off. Alright, so we're in Bully. Take them over to the forks. Let's see if these eBay junks are gonna pick a 2,300 pound pallet up. But them pallets are heavy. Let me check the light on. What I got the light on for? Set up in there. So I just want to bring them up. Alright. Let me just get them on there. Let's see what we got here, Mo's and Joe's. Yeah, these are all the reject pavers. They're different colors and stuff like that. So Danny works for the company delivering them, and he's getting them for me. We pay for a lot of fuel to get them. Well, they fit right on here. A cross bracket, which, hey, how you doing? Ain't gonna work. Alright, so we'll leave that like that. But Danny said I could pick these up on the side. No, I can't. Alright, let's lock them in here and try to pick a pallet up. You can put the chain on it too. Yeah, I got the locks for the chain. Alright, let's see what we got here, guys. The other thing is I can see. One's higher than the other. One's higher than the other. That's the bucket. They're all fucking fucked up. That fixed it. Stepping on it. Let me see if I get it to go down a little more by loosening it. pallet. Let's see what we got. Hooked on the other pallet. Yeah, I'm hooked on the other pallet, that's why. Alright. So he's doing the job here. Doing the job in the jump. He's doing it. So let's see. Get out and take a look now. There you have it. A little twisty and copperwampus, but it's working. So let's set that pallet on top of this one. How about we try that now? Without killing anybody. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Alright boys, she did it. I mean, they're wobbly and banging and everything, but she did it.
Supposed to lock in with this.
Yeah. It's on there. Like and subscribe, boys. Oh, by the way, 1/4 is left inside the thing. Let me take another one off there now. Hold on. Got my trusty son here helping me out there. Wait, yeah, you might have to loosen it to line it up with that thing. I don't know if that's gonna fit on there. I heard something break. Was that the tire? Going flat. This tire was almost flat. Alright, we put another one there, boys. Like and subscribe.